Aubrey Hoover is a beautiful fashion model and social media celebrity with an impressive personality and gorgeous looks. She is young and energetic. The model looks very decent and she is very popular among all age groups. The gorgeous beauty has got an amazing curvaceous body and stunning figure. Aubrey is very active on social media and has thousands of followers on social platforms including Instagram, TikTok, and many others. Aubrey Hoover was born and raised in Los Angeles, the U.S. with her family, relatives and friends. Quick information. Name: Aubrey Hoover. Birthplace: Los Angeles, U.S. Nationality: American. Current residence: Los Angeles, U.S. Height: 5 feet 9 inches. Weight: 89 kg. Body measurements: 40 to 37-46.5. Hair color: blonde. Eyes color: blue. Profession: model. Hobbies: traveling, shopping, reading, food. Tattoos: yes. Aubrey Hoover started her career as a fashion model. She works with many popular brands and agencies including Fashion Nova, the industry model MGM Tila, and many others. Aubrey is also equally popular on social media platforms. She has thousands of followers on social media platforms including Instagram 116K followers, TikTok 93K followers.